Hello children, welcome back to the EVS class. Today I will start new lesson, that is chapter number 5, clothes we wear. Before we start, I will tell you, early humans did not wear clothes. They covered their bodies with leaves, barks of trees and skin of animals. But nowadays we wear different kinds of clothes. Why do we wear clothes? Why we need clothes? Because clothes, they protect us from heat, cold, rain, dust and insect bites. So we wear different types of clothes. See here, we wear clothes to protect us from heat, rain, cold and wind. Clothes also protect us from dust, dirt and insects. They make us look smart. Types of clothes. We wear different clothes during different seasons and occasions. We wear cotton clothes in summer. Cotton clothes keep us cool and comfortable. Frock, t-shirt, skirt and shorts. Cotton comes from cotton plants. So here we wear different kinds of clothes. Now next, on different occasions and in different seasons. And you all know that there are three major seasons. Can you name them? Yes, summer season, winter season and rainy season. We should choose clothes according to seasons. Let's see what type of clothes should we wear in summer season. It is very hot in summer. So we wear light colored cotton clothes. Children, you know that we all sweat in summer season because it's very hot and cotton clothes absorb sweat easily. Cotton clothes keep us cool in hot summer. Dear children, do you know how our cotton clothes that we wear are made? Let's see. First of all, cotton comes from cotton plant. Okay. And this cotton balls clean and spinning into are weaving. It means we get thread and this thread are weaving into clothes and the process known as weaving. And at least 3 stitch the cotton and ready to wear. Okay. Cotton clothes is used to make shirt, shirts, plants, sarees, bed sheets, etc. Okay. Now, what type of clothes wear in winter season? In winter and in cold places, we wear woolen clothes. Woolen clothes keep us warm. Sweater, cap, socks, muffler, jacket. We get wool from the hair of sheep, goats, and camel. We also wear silk clothes. Silk thread is shiny. We get silk from silkworms. See here, this is the silkworm and this is the silk dress. Now, next, it is very cold in winter season. So we wear woolen clothes in winter season. Woolen clothes keep us warm like sweater. Okay. Now in winter season we wear clothes made of wool. Wool is obtained from the hair of sheep. Now let's see how woolen clothes are made. Okay. The woolen is cut and washed and dry and spun into yarn which is kitten to make woolen clothes like cap, gloves and sweater. Okay. Now what type of clothes we wear in rainy season? See here. During the rainy season, we wear raincoat and gumboots. We also use umbrellas. These are made of waterproof materials that do not get soaked in rain. These keep us dry in rain. Raincoat, umbrella, gumboots. Okay. Now let's see what do you want to get when it rains. Yes, so we wear raincoat over our clothes. Next is uniforms. Some people wear special clothes for work. These are called uniforms. These help them be safe or help others identify them easily. A nurse, a soldier, a postman, a doctor. Different types of uniforms. Okay. Here two children we wear uniform to school. People wear specially set of clothes that look exactly the same in the school and some office uniform. Okay. Some type of clothes when we go for school, and soldiers also wear some type of clothes. Similarly, doctors, nurse, postmen, we wear a special uniform when they go to for a work. Okay. See here, uniform is special clothes some people wear for work.